Meningitis is an infection of the brain and spinal cord caused by various infectious agents like streptococci and meningococcal. All these infections may start from elsewhere in the body and they migrate towards the brain and affect. The window period for meningitis is about 2 to 4 days, so it has an early onset compared to other diseases. There are some other causes of meningitis like sudden trauma to the brain or spinal cord, or contamination of wounds of the brain, or a skull fracture in road traffic accidents. The main symptoms to detect meningitis is high fever, drowsiness, or unconsciousness. Apart from that, as the disease progresses, there might be vomiting and skin rashes present as well. The germs that infect parts of our body, namely lungs, throat, or nose, may travel fast towards the brain and infect it as well. If you are having a simple sore throat, there is chance you might contract meningitis, so don't delay visit a doctor. Once diagnosed, you can follow these simple home remedies to improve your condition. 5 home remedies for meningitis. Number 1. Adequate rest and immunity. The first line of treatment is bed rest and ample sleep for the patient. A warm water enema should be administered daily as well. You should give a patient some orange juice that is diluted with lukewarm water for a few days so that the immunity and urine output is maintained. The orange juice also gives a good resistance to the disease, and it will also give a good amount of energy to the patient. Number 2. Ice pack. If the fever does not come down on its own, you should apply some ice pack on the head of patient. Ice applications can be done 3 times in a day. Make sure you also wrap the patient's arm and legs in cold water towels. If the temperature is too much, it is important to get the temperature down because a high temperature is bound to damage the brain. Number 3. Juices. Even after a few days, it is important that the patient only drinks fresh juices without sugar. It will help clear the tongue, and by then temperature of the body will come down. Juices freshly squeezed from apples, oranges, grapes, pears, and peaches can be given to the patients, and they can be consumed any number of times in a day. Number 4. Bland food. After following the juice regime, you can introduce light cooked food into the patient's diet. Make sure you have given the patient bland food devoid of any species or oil or salt. Boiled vegetables, cereals, fruits, nuts, and whole grains will be beneficial. They keep the stomach filled, and they also provide a great deal of nutrition. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic helps to kill most bacteria in the human body because of its natural antibiotic properties. Squeeze juice out of 3 cloves of garlic and mix it with some fruit or vegetable juice. You can ask the patients to consume the mixture about twice in a day for a quick relief. Caution: please use home remedies after proper research and guidance. You accept that you are following any advice at your own risk and will properly research or consult healthcare professional. Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel or watch another video.